Hey, it's Megan with Fully Funded Life, and as you can see, maybe I'm doing exactly what you're doing at your house, decorating for Christmas. The Christmas boxes are out, and the holiday season is in full swing. So this is the perfect time because we all know the holidays come with fun and family, but also a whole lot of expenses. And sometimes those expenses can be pricey. So inside of Fully Funded Life Pro, our monthly budgeting tool is one of the most popular tools that we have. It allows you to create a budget, especially during this season when December is just a little bit different than all the other months because Christmas is snuck in there at the end. So we want to help prepare you for that. So I'm going to hop over to my computer and I'm going to show you inside of the monthly budgeting tool to give you guys a sneak peek at what's inside. Okay, here we go. Here we are inside of your dashboard, and you can go, once you log in, if you go to all tools down here, it'll pull up all of our built-in tools. So here we have our monthly budget. Our Christmas mini budget is actually a really great one if you're planning your Christmas spending too, but check out, we did another video on that, so check that out. But our monthly budget, if we go into that, we can see I've put some numbers in here already, but at the top you can see it breaks everything out for you, so you can see where all of your spending is going. Right now, this is my planned spending, but I can also check out my actual spending, and then I can also check out the difference. So all three of those are at the top. But if we scroll down, or over here to the side, you can actually see the breakdown as well, just in written form. But if we scroll down, here's where we're able to put all of our information in. So the first column, this first section is income. So here we just type on this, and maybe we're going to say paycheck number 1. And then you can change the different kinds. Maybe it's a check or a direct deposit, or maybe even an e-transfer, whatever works. So maybe we're getting a direct deposit, and we can also pick the deposit date. So maybe if we're planning this maybe we're planning this for January since it's in December. So maybe we get paid the 1st, and then maybe we get paid again. We can do that for our 2nd, or maybe we have a spouse that gets paid, or you get income a different way. We can add that in here too. So this first column of numbers right here is going to be our planned. And then as the month goes on, we're going to add our actual in. And then here it's going to calculate the difference. So maybe this month, instead of getting $3,000, maybe they also, you worked a little bit of overtime, maybe holiday season. So maybe you worked and you got an extra $500. So it's going to show you have an extra $500 right there, and it's going to show you in green. Whereas this line below, I don't have any actual in, so it's red. So we also have giving that you can put in here. We have savings, all the different kinds of categories, investing. You can add items here. So maybe you have 3 or 4 investing accounts. So you can just click add item, and it adds a whole new line for you there that you can add in. You can add in any different housing expenses, food. We have transportation that you can add in here. So gas that you're going to and from school pickup, or different functions that you have, or whatever it is. Different kind of bills that you have, we can add those in here. Different debts, maybe credit card debt or school loan or whatever it is, you can add that in here. Clothing, maybe you allot $50 a month for clothing, or maybe it's more, maybe it's less. You can add that in here. And then just any extra categories that you want to add in that aren't included above. And then once you put all those numbers in, you can hit this update button right here. And then a cool feature as well is we have this PDF button where you can download this as well. So maybe you've done your January budget and you're wanting to save it. So you could download it as a PDF and save it for reference for later. So you have that, which is really great. And so if we scroll back all the way to the top, we're able to see those numbers that we added in as well. And the really great thing is here we're able to see, so food, we're able to see the amount and then the percentage as well. So giving, I can tell we're spending $550, but it's 10.4%, which is great. And then we're able to see housing, what we're spending. So here you're able to adjust if some of your categories are out of alignment, you're able to kind of adjust that there as well. And you're also able to see the percentages over here on the side, as well as the numbers. So we kind of give it to you in multiple places, which is awesome. And then you're able to click in here and see actual. I haven't gone through and added actual, but once I do, it'll show up here as well. And then once you add in the actual, we'll be able to see the difference too. So the difference, the income difference, the outgo difference, all those fun numbers as well. So this is a really amazing tool that can be super helpful for you as you're planning the month to come, as you're looking ahead to spending. You can get a good idea of what you're spending, where you're at with your budget. And you can also go off, you scroll all the way down. This box right here, this is our monthly budget. It is our Excel spreadsheet. So not our built-in tool, but if you need some ideas on, I think I'm forgetting something in my budget, I don't know what it is, download this Excel tool because we list out a lot of different options for you there. Everything from your cell phone bill to internet to utilities to gas to electricity, like all the different things. We try to think of everything and we put it in that Excel download right there so you can see that. So you can have that up as you're going through and looking at your different items here. But this is a great tool to help you as you're creating your budget. That way you can see where your planned money's going, where your actual, and what the difference is. So we really encourage you guys to hop in there and check it out. So there is our budgeting tool. And if January is ever hit harder than you thought, said, wow, those expenses I weren't prepared for, then having a budget in place before the holidays makes all the difference. And right now you can try Fully Funded Life Pro for free for 14 days with our 14-day free trial, which means you can start using the monthly budget tool today before the Christmas chaos kicks in. So give yourself the gift of clarity and peace this holiday season and try Pro completely free for 14 days and see how much more confident you feel this holiday season. Merry Christmas.